I am Kevin. I am a sales associate here at Eurotuning. I've been here since June of 2024. Always been into cars, just kind of been brought up with it. Sebring and Daytona veteran, I go there almost every year for the 24 and 12 hour. And actually this year coming up, I'm going to Atlanta for the first time. Past couple years, I had a Golf TDI, did a lot of stuff to it. Twisty road car. Picked up the 2018 Porsche Macan. It's a big Golf. I love it. I also own a 1995 Ford F350 and a 2006 Triumph Daytona 675. I've been in the automotive parts field for about last 15 years. Whether it was Volkswagen, Porsche, Audi, I have the knowledge base to pretty much answer any question the customer has. Even more so the exotic stuff. I've dealt with the exotic side of Volkswagen, Audi products for last 2 years. I enjoy just helping people out. We're all here for the same reason. We're all enthusiasts, and the customer basis is all enthusiasts as well. So we help them with their goals, their cars, whatever it may need be.